Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did.
The AI is getting absolutely crazy. Let's get into it. I was just watching this commercial and I was just after messing with the AI and I'm watching it and I'm like, I think this is real. But then again, I'm like, it's Hollywood. They have access to things before us normie people do. And I think these are real actors or some famous people. Don't quote me. Somebody else would know in the comments. I can't tell if it's AI or not because I've been messing with the Google Veo / Gemini and I'm telling you, it looks really similar to the video that I've been messing with. So I wanted to see if I could recreate this Old Spice commercial with AI. Let's get into it. Here's the original commercial.
Hey, sweaty, sweetie, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
I did for 24/7 sweat protection. She stole it.
Smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
He said, you did this to my pits. Now, that's a funny commercial. It just has an AI feel to it. I don't know why. I'm looking at it and the clock's normal. There's no artifacts, but then again, I've been messing with this Google video stuff. There's not really any artifacts in that video stuff either. And if a company had access to an AI model to where they could feed things in directly, like actors or water bottle brands, things like that, you never know what they could already be doing with this AI stuff. So
Sweaty, sweetie, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant.
now the reason why I think this is real because of all these little insert scenes. Now they could have filmed those insert scenes too, by the way.
Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
Like that scene where she puts it in her pits, and like if you look at here, that exercise machine is in the same position and they're at a different angle, so it tells me that they were filming in a real room. When I started analyzing the video, I'm like, no, they really did film this. But I'm like, man, I could recreate this with AI. So let's see. First thing that we got to do, capture our display here on the OBS. And
Hey, sweaty, sweetie, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
And so now that I have it in DaVinci Resolve, I'm gonna go to the timeline, generate view, timeline, AI tools, create subtitles from audio, maximum characters per line. That's okay, it's not bad. So let's open up a notepad. Let's open up our trusty notepad. Trusty notepad. You good? Next line. Someone stole my Old Spice. So someone stole my Old Spice. Now I'm smelling like perspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant. And then she says, I did.
Sweetie, I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this.
Force 24/7 sweat. That is what she says. I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection. So take that. We gotta put them all in the script here real quick. And then, oh my God. Oh, you did this to my pits. And that's the end of the video. So we have our script. Let's copy it and let's bring it into the Google AI. Hey, brub, we're making AI commercials. Maybe Old Spice will hire us. Maybe. Their video has like 100 million views. If this video can get even 1/10 of that, or not even 1/100th of that, maybe Old Spice will see it and be like, hey, we should have done that, or we can do that. Let's do that next time. Just do me a favor, smash like until you can't smash anymore.
Hey, sweaty sweetie, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant.
Hey, sweaty sweetie, you good?
Let's see if it extends it. Hopefully it uses the same people, right? We're doing one output at a time. Let's see what happens. This stuff is getting crazy. Smash like, look at this cat real quick. Smash like if you think that cat is cute. Just smash like for the cat. We'll leave it on the cat until the video is done. Right, bro? I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. No audio. Oh, it's not the same people. Where's the audio? No, they're not the same. So we might have to do it all in one video. We're gonna go into flow. We're just gonna do one whole one again. Like that first one was pretty good. Okay, let's try it again. 3 times the charm. Google, you got lots of money. We'll make money together and I'll pay more money. I'm gonna get the full plan, trust me. We're just getting the preview thing right now for this video. And once again, we wait. Let's go. Get some more. Here, bro. Gonna get AI to work.
Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
This is it. We're gonna open up Resolve and bring in our assets that we have here.
My Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did.
Let me go to this audio here. I'm gonna use some of that audio.
You did this to my pit.
We can get rid of that one.
You good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits. Spice antiperspirant. Now.
Hey, sweaty sweetie, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant. I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits. You did this to my pits.
Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
All right, like this. I'm gonna try some stuff for you. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna go into the AI music remixer, and I'm gonna try to isolate the sound effects on this track. So let's mute the voice and see what it does. Nice. Totally did it. That's so awesome. So I can literally take, hey sweaty sweetie, you good?
Hey, sweaty sweetie. Hey, sweaty sweetie.
Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
And actually,
Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good? Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
This is the tricky part where you gotta edit things and slide things around and move it all into the right spot and figure it out.
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant.
Now
Sweaty sweetie, you good? Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits. You did this to my pits. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did.
Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
24/7 sweat protection.
Force 24/7 sweat protection.
you did.
You did this.
Sweat protection.
You did this.
7 sweat protection.
You did.
You did to my.
You did this to my pits.
You did this to my pits. My pits.
Well, the question is, can I had to fill in the gaps.
Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice.
If I go like this.
You good?
Someone stole my Old Spice.
Antiperspirant. Spice antiperspirant.
Spice
antiperspirant.
Now I'm smelling like perspirant. Spice
antiperspirant. Now
Now
I'm
I'm smelling like antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant. My Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did. Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits. To my pits. You did this to my pits.
Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my.
I think there was a way to actually a quick screenshot. Okay, so now we go into Photoshop. Things really nice, just nice. Photoshop's it's really made things really nice. Properties, remove background. Hopefully it goes right over all that lettering. Break out the old mask. Commercial over. Now to take this commercial over the top with the final touches. We're getting down to the pixels, my boy.
Hey, sweaty sweetie mister, you good?
Someone stole my Old Spice antiperspirant. Now I'm smelling like perspirant.
I did.
Force 24/7 sweat protection.
You did this to my pits.
That's pretty good, guys.
I did.
Oh my god, guys. Anyways, do me a favor, Old Spice. If you get all of me or whatever, just subscribe, or the rest of y'all, do me a favor and just please subscribe, please subscribe.